Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. This is me, your general science teacher from Herald Citi School, welcomes you in our first class of online classes. Today we'll start unit number 9, Food and Energy. Think back and tell me, how does food help us to grow healthy and strong? As we know that food is one of our basic needs, it gives us energy to work, play, and do different activities. Let's share one of the important ayah from Quranic Pak. Eat out of the lawful and good things Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you and thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for his favors. It means आयत मुबारका का मफ़हूम है कि अल्लाह सुब्हाना व तआला ने आपको जो हलाल और अच्छी चीज़ें दी हैं उसमें से खाओ और अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से उसके एहसानात का शुक्र अदा करो. Okay, every day we eat different types of food like fruits, vegetables, milk, yogurt, cheese, etc. They all belong to different food groups. The food we eat can be classified into 4 food groups. Let's see what these groups are. Number 1, meat group. Meat group helps us to build strong muscles, and it includes meat, chicken, egg, etc. Number 2, dairy group. It makes our bones and teeth strong, and it includes cheese, yogurt, milk, etc. Number 3, cereal group. It gives us energy, and it includes rice, pulses, cereals, etc. And the last food group is fruits and vegetables group, and it helps our body to fight against germs. It includes all the fruits and vegetables. So we should eat the right amount of food from every group to be healthy. Basis of keeping healthy. Number 1, balanced diet. The kind of food we eat every day is called a diet, and a diet containing all the nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Keeping clean. Keeping the body clean keeps us away from the diseases. We must bath daily, cut nails regularly, and wear a clean dress. We must brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night to avoid tooth decay and bad smell. Sound sleep. Sound sleep is very important as it keeps us active and healthy. We should sleep 6 to 8 hours daily. We should have dinner at least 1 hour before going to bed to allow the food to digest. Number 4, exercise regularly. Exercise is an important part of keeping healthy. Exercise helps to lose weight and lower the risk of some diseases. So we should exercise daily. Nutrients. Let's see some of the important nutrients which our body needs. Carbohydrates. They give instant energy to our body. They play an important role in the growth of living things. They are present in rice, sugarcane, pulses, wheat, potatoes, etc. Fats. They are found in butter, oil, and cream. Fats provide heat and energy to our body. Proteins. They are obtained from both animals and plants. Food that is rich in protein includes eggs, meat, milk, etc. They are necessary for growth and repairing body tissues. Vitamins. Vitamins protect our body from diseases. Vitamins are classified into groups A, B, C, D, E and K according to their functions in the body, and they are present in fruits and vegetables. Mineral salts. They are important for the human body because their deficiency can lead to serious health problems. Okay, let's see 3 meals a day that make up a balanced diet. Okay, what should we eat in breakfast to be healthy? We should eat bread, an egg, glass of milk or fresh juice. And in lunch, we should eat vegetables or meat, chapati or rice, vegetable salad and fruit. And in dinner, we should take pulses or vegetables with chapati or rice. I hope you all have understood what a healthy living requires. Let's see what are the important points to remember. Food gives us energy to work, play and do different activities. A diet containing all the nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Keeping our body clean keeps us away from diseases. We should sleep 6 to 8 hours daily. Exercise is an important part of keeping healthy. Okay, now open your books and let's do exercise, work it out. List what you ate yesterday and complete the table. This is your homework. You have to write what you ate in breakfast, lunch, tea time, dinner. And after writing all these basic diet groups, count how many things you ate from each group. Now open page 51, exercise B. Match column A with column B. The things which are in column A are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, mineral salts. And in column B, butter and cream, salts of sodium and calcium, rice and pulses, eggs and meat. And the last one is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now class 2, can you tell me in which fruit carbohydrates are present? Yes, they are present in rice and pulses. Now tell me in which food protein is present? Protein is present in eggs and meat. And fat is present in butter and cream. The kinds of vitamins are A, B, C, D and E. And mineral salts are salts of sodium and calcium. Okay, moving on to the next exercise, exercise number C. Take the instructions you should follow and cross the ones you should not. Number 1, eat a balanced diet. Right or wrong? Right. Do exercise daily. Yes. Do not cut your nails. Wrong. We should cut our nails regularly. Number 4, sleep 6 to 8 hours daily. Right. Brush your teeth twice a day. Yes. Do not bath daily. Wrong. We should take bath daily. And the last one, number 7, is wash your body and wear clean clothes. Yes. Class 2, note down the homework, read Unit 9, Food and Energy, and learn keywords from page 57 from your book.